just and I just and I just and I just and
Hello my fabulous people. So we're going to start by moisturizing the face first, and I'm using my Nature Republic Essence in Rose and also in Honey, and I'm adding almond oil to give that extra moisture that I love.
Brian Little.
Next, we are going to start with the brows, and I'm using my Morphe palette. This is like the contour palette, but I use these two browns to do my brows. And I'm using the Coastal Scents and filling in my brows. Next, I am going to use my Essence eye primer, and I put it on my lids. Wait for it to get a little bit tacky before you rub it in, so give it like maybe 30 seconds and then rub it in. Next, I'm using my Midnight translucent powder, and I'm using another Coastal Scent brush, and I'm gonna add that onto my lids so the shadows can go on smoothly. Now I am using my MAC eyeshadow in Saddle, and I'm adding that onto my crease. Next, I'm using another MAC shadow, and I'm using Brown Script and adding that also onto my crease. Now I'm going to use some tape, and I am going to put it on the outer V to sharpen the look. Now I'm using Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, the main star of the show. And I am going to use Meteor Crush and add that onto my lids. Now with this, I was doing my eye and it wasn't recording, so I just wanted to show y'all guys exactly what I did. So I did put this shadow all over my lid. And I'm using Ground Brown, another MAC shadow, and I'm going to put this on my outer V. To add more definition onto the eye.
Brian Little.
And blending it out. Next, I'm using the Eclipse eyeliner and Later Crater. And I'll show you a clip of me applying it onto my eyes. As you can see, I did have the tape. This eyeliner is very unique. Once you let it dry and you smudge it with your finger, it does show glitter. but I didn't smudge it for this look. Next, I'm using the Essence mascara and Lash Princess, and I'm going to add that onto my lashes. And now I am just making sure it's nice and clean. So I took the tape off. Now I'm using the Galaxy palette again. I'm using Mars on Fire and Meteor Crush, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. Now I'm using all the MAC shadows that I used onto my crease, and I'm using it on my lower lash. So I'm starting with Brown Script, then Ground Brown, and the last is Saddle. Now I'm using MAC eyeshadow in Arena, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And blending it out. Now I'm using my Glossier primer, moisturizing primer, and I'm going to add this onto my face. I love adding this primer onto my face because it really does moisturize the face. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Toffee, and I'm just going to use this pretty much as foundation and add this all over my face. And just to let y'all guys know, this is the color of my skin tone.
Ryan Little.
Now you see it's starting to blend into my skin tone. Now I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Powder and W8 Cream Cafe, and I'm just using a BH Cosmetics and pretty much setting the concealer so it won't move. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild Blush and Mellow Wine and adding that onto my cheeks. And as you see my mouth moving is because I was talking to my boyfriend while I was filming this. This is the NYX Born to Glow Gleam Liquid Illuminator, and I'm just highlighting the parts that need to be highlighted, which is my cheekbones, nose bridge, forehead, and chin. On top of that highlighter, I'm adding another highlighter and the Model Co Cosmetics blush and Peach Bellini, and this I pretty much use as a blush topper because, as you can see, it's pretty much a highlighter for me. Now I'm using my Galani lip gloss in Giggles and my Fenty Galaxy lip gloss in Spacesuit. But first, before I use that, I'm going to use my Rimmel lip liner and Cafe au Latte. Tell me if it's Cafe au Latte or if it's Cafe au Latte, because sometimes I get that mixed up. Now I'm using my Galani and Giggles lip gloss, and now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty in Spacesuit. I love this lip gloss. It's so beautiful. And this is the finished look. I hope y'all guys really do like this look. I had so much fun filming it. If you want for me to show y'all guys more looks using the Galaxy palette, just comment below and I definitely will show you guys more look. This was more of a neutral look. If you like this look, don't forget to thumbs up this look. Also, don't forget to subscribe onto my channel. Press that gray bell notification so you can see my future updates. And I will definitely talk to y'all guys next time. Remember to stay real and fabulous. Until then, mwah, bye.